Hi, so this is for my abroad citizens or those in Nigeria, you're earning in another currency. Or you and I that just want to earn in dollar, want to invest in dollar and earn in dollar. Stay with me in this video. I'm going to take you through the steps on how to do that. First of all, my name is Onyenye. I'm a chartered accountant, chartered banker, and I hold an MBA in finance and investment with over 8 years of work experience in two tier one commercial banks. So what is dollar investment fund? Dollar investment fund is an investment that pulls funds from different investors and invests in federal government Eurobonds or Eurobonds of large corporate entities. It's just almost similar to your money market mutual funds, the Naira one that you know about, but this one is in dollar. And the benefits are enormous. Investing in dollar has several benefits because in the longer term, the value of your money is relatively more stable than compared to naira. You're not going to be bothered about naira depreciation or naira devaluation. And if you're investing towards a longer term goal, like maybe towards for your children's education or something, just something for a longer term, I want the value of that particular money to be the same when you want to use it, especially if you're going to use that money in dollar currency or another foreign currency. It's better for you to invest in dollar investment fund. Do you understand it? So now I want my child to school abroad in the next 16 years, in the next 15 years, in the next 10 years, in the next 20 years. I have to start that investment plan now. And I should just invest in dollar because it's relatively more stable. I can plan ahead than investing it in naira. When it's time for me to pay this school fees, you realize that the value of naira might or may not depreciate. But all things being equal, we've seen naira depreciate well in the past. And you don't want that to happen to you when the time comes. So better for it to invest in dollar funds, right? So how do you do this investment? So you invest it just the same way you invest in your money market mutual funds through your asset management firms. We have the FBN Quest, we have the Coronation, we have the Invest Niger, we have the Afri Invest, whichever asset management firm that you're using previously. Just click on dollar funds from your app, then invest in dollar funds. But like I said, most of these apps, if not all of them, you can convert your naira to your dollars. You don't have to go and buy dollar if you don't earn in dollars and you want to do this investment. You don't have to buy your dollar. You can just move your naira to your wallet account, then click on the dollar funds. It automatically converts it to dollar using the prevailing rate. And most times rates are even competitive, so you don't have to bother about them using a higher rate or something. They convert it to dollar, and you start your investment plan. But if you don't have any account at all with any investment management firms and you want to start this investment, what's the first thing to do is to open an account. How do you open an account? Click on any investment management firm app that you want to use, anyone you want to use. I've mentioned like 4 or 5: FBN Quest, Coronation, Invest Niger, Afri Invest. Just click on them, download their app, then sign up. Once you sign up, you get what they call investment ID. That's what you use to do your investment. For the dollar fund, if you don't have a dollar account, it's fine. You can move your naira to your wallet account. That's your investment account, the wallet account I've generated for you. As at the point you want to fund the account, you get a wallet account. You move your money to that account, then you do the dollar funds. Automatically converts it for you. But if you have a dollar account and you want to use the dollar account to do this investment, what you have to do is that the first thing to do is that you have to transfer the money from your dollar account to your the fund provider. Please, if you've watched this video up to this extent, please click the subscription button. Help me subscribe. I'm really begging. Please subscribe. You can like the video, put your comment. I will respond to you. Yes, that's it. I will surely respond to you once you comment. Right? Okay, so now let's talk about the other benefits of dollar investment fund. I've said it's relatively stable. You're hedging against naira devaluation or depreciation. Another thing is that it's open-ended. You can withdraw or deposit at any time. It's not fixed. So you can withdraw and you can deposit at any time. You can click on where investing, reinvest my interest, or you want to withdraw your interest. Then your interest drops in your normal bank account or your interest is reinvested. It's actually better for you to invest your interest if you ask me, because you take advantage of compound interest earning. So that's the benefit. And for this dollar investment fund, when you log on to the app every day, you see your interest daily, but you can only withdraw your interest after 6 months for most of these asset management firms. You can only withdraw the interest after 6 months. You can liquidate your principal if you want at any time. That's why it's open ended. Free entry, free exit. There's no timeline. You can enter today and leave tomorrow if you want, right? So that's it. Then we've talked about the benefits, we've talked about how to do these investments. Then let's just do a bit of calculation. On, let's say you're investing $100, you're investing $200 monthly, or maybe $1,000 monthly. Let's see what our interest will look like in 1 year's time, in 5 years' time, in 10 years' time. So for $100 in 1 year's time, you get like 1,253. We're getting 8% per annum. We are compounding our interest though. Then in 5 years' time, you get above $7,000. In 10 years' time, you're getting above $18,000. That's if you do $100 monthly. You see, in 10 years' time, you already have like 18,000 something in your account that you can use for something. And you can even increase your investment as time goes on, because you might earn more or have more money, so you cannot continue with $100. You can top up your investment, right? Let's calculate with $500. Yeah. Okay. $500, 8% per annum compounded. In 1 year's time, you're getting like 6.2, $6,000, $6,200. Then in 10 years' time, you're getting over $90,000. See what I'm talking about? If it was $1,000 in 10 years' time, you get over $181,000. See what I'm talking about? The longer you keep the money, that's when it's going to make sense. So don't, if you start your investment, don't be thinking of short term. Let me check how much I'm making in a day. Just leave it after like 1 year, 5 years. It's going to make a huge significant difference. And the good thing is that it's still your money. So, and you're going to spend in dollar, a more stable currency. So there's no how one day they want to do something in dollar, even if it's for your kids' school fees, or you want to plan for a vacation or something. Just start your dollar investment fund today. I don't know why it's not that common, so common unlike the naira, but it's going to hedge you against naira depreciation. The dollar gets to 1.9, that's not your business. The dollar gets to 1.7, that's not your business. Well, you know that as I in 10 years' time, my dollar is my dollar. The value of purchasing power might decline a little, but not to be compared to when it's naira investment. Do you understand it? So I usually tell people, don't leave all your investments in naira. Always diversify. Put some in dollar, put some in naira, so that no matter how the direction of the economy is going a different direction, you're protected. If the economy is going to the other direction, you're protected. You're not just left hanging or following the economy as it's going and swinging up and down. You're actually protected. And please, if you've watched this video up to this extent, please click the subscription button. Help me subscribe. I'm really begging. Please subscribe. You can like the video, put your comment. I will respond to you. Yes, that's it. I will surely respond to you once you comment, right? So I think this comes to the end of that video. I've broken down smartest way, one of the smartest way to invest in dollars if you're in Nigeria, right? And you're not scared of your money losing value. Don't forget, like I said, it's as simple as ABCD. You can use any of your asset management firms. If you have any other questions or clarifications, just drop the comment on the comment section. I will answer you. I will listen to you. Thank you.